Making money with Ethereum involves leveraging its blockchain technology for a variety of opportunities, from investing to building decentralized applications. Here's how to get started. Buy and hold. Purchase Ethereum through platforms like Coinbase, Binance or Kraken and hold it long term. As the value of ETH increases over time, you can sell it for a profit. Staking. Ethereum 2.0 allows you to stake ETH and earn rewards. By locking up your ETH in the network, you help secure it and receive a share of the network's transaction fees. Platforms like Lido or Coinbase allow you to stake ETH with ease. Yield farming and liquidity mining. Participate in DeFi protocols by providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or SushiSwap. Earn returns through interest and transaction fees in exchange for your liquidity. NFTs. Create, buy or sell NFTs on platforms like OpenSea or Rarible. Ethereum is widely used to mint and trade NFTs, offering potential for profit through digital art, music or collectibles. Smart contracts and dApps. Build decentralized applications or smart contracts to earn through transaction fees or subscriptions.